Hi fellow travel lovers. Are you ready to embark on a journey through some of the most enchanting wine regions of Italy? Join me as we take a look at three of the most renowned yet underappreciated Italian wine regions. As you'll see, they're not just about wine, but also history, culture, and dreamy landscapes that will leave you in awe. In fact, we'd suggest combining these regions to build an amazing Italian holiday, allowing for a diverse experience of the countryside. First up, we have Piedmont. This region is a gem nestled in the northwestern part of Italy. Set at the foot of the Alps, Piedmont is a haven for wine enthusiasts. The majestic mountains provide a stunning backdrop to the lush vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see. This region is renowned for its Nebbiolo grapes, which produce the famous Barolo and Barbaresco wines. These wines are known for their rich flavors and complex aromas, making them a favorite among connoisseurs. Imagine sipping on a glass of Barolo while gazing at the stunning vineyard landscapes. It's an experience that's both relaxing and invigorating. The food here is just as impressive. Think truffles, pastas, risottos, and sumptuous cheeses. Piedmont is a paradise for food lovers, offering a culinary experience that complements its exquisite wines. For a charming stay, check out the town of Alba, known for its truffle market, or La Mora with its breathtaking views. These towns offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of the region. Next, let's head down to Sicily. This island is not just about beautiful beaches and ancient ruins, it's also a treasure trove for wine lovers. This sun-kissed island offers a unique wine experience. The warm climate and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for growing a variety of grapes. Here you'll find the bold Nero d'Avola and crisp white Grillo wines. These wines are a true reflection of Sicily's vibrant and diverse culture. The volcanic soil of Mount Etna gives the wines a distinct character you won't find anywhere else. The minerals from the volcanic ash enrich the soil, adding unique flavors to the wines. Pair your wine with mouth-watering Sicilian cuisine, fresh seafood, arancini, and cannoli. The island's culinary delights are as diverse and flavorful as its wines. Make sure to visit the picturesque town of Taormina, with its ancient Greek theater and stunning coastal views. This town is a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Finally, we're off to Chianti, located in the heart of Tuscany. This region is synonymous with classic Italian wine and picturesque landscapes. Chianti is synonymous with its world-famous Chianti Classico, made from Sangiovese grapes. These wines are known for their robust flavors and are a staple in Italian wine culture. The rolling hills and cypress-lined roads create a postcard-perfect backdrop for your wine adventures. Every turn in Chianti reveals a new, breathtaking view. Enjoy hearty Tuscan dishes like ribollita, bistecca alla fiorentina, and pecorino cheese. The food here is as rich and flavorful as the wines, making every meal a memorable experience. Stay in the medieval town of Radda in Chianti or the charming village of Greve in Chianti. Both offer a truly authentic Tuscan experience. These towns are perfect for immersing yourself in the local culture and traditions. So, there you have it. 3 incredible Italian wine regions that should be on every wine lover's bucket list. Each region offers a unique blend of history, culture, and of course, exceptional wines. Whether you're exploring the majestic vineyards of Piedmont, soaking up the sun in Sicily, or basking in the beauty of Chianti, each of these regions offers something truly special. The diversity and richness of Italian wine culture are unparalleled. Cheers to your next Italian adventure. May your travels be filled with unforgettable experiences and delightful wines. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Ciao for now. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the world's wonders.